Switchblade. So I jab. Jab. Switch jab. Now when I switch, look, I don't turn my whole base. It's from the waist down. Boom. From this position, my left leg follows that jab up. So maybe I see Josh is slipping my jab when I start to throw. Oh, okay, he's slipping. He's slipping. Switchblade. Remember, it's not this, because now we shortened our range. We pulled our shoulder into the back. It's waist down. My elbow up, pinky up. Split the guard. If Josh has a good tight shield on and he lifts, he might be able to just do this right here. But when I switch and I twist, I'm gonna corkscrew right through. Right through. Not here. Here, here. So switchblade, we jab once, then we switch jab, and that follows. Yeah. Switchblade. Oh, hey, really good.